Go. Okay, today we're going to practice addition of decimals. And to practice addition of decimals, we are going to use the domino. So when I show you two pieces like this one and this one, you have to add this plus this. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So this is 1/5 and this is 4/4, which is 1/5 is what?
0.2.
0.2 or 2/10, and this is 1 whole. So the answer here is
1.2.
1.2, correct. Okay. You go first. Okay. Choose one. Add them.
1.5.
1.5 is correct. Why?
Because 3 and 3/3 is one whole, and then 2/4 is 0.5. So I added, and it's 1.5.
Yeah, 2/4 is 1/2. You go.
It's 1.16 because this is 0.66 and this is 0.5. And 0.66 plus 0.5 is 1.16.
That is correct. 1.16. Good job. Choose one. Choose one. Go.
1.25.
1.25. Why?
Because this is one whole, and 1/4 equals 0.25. So 1 plus 0.25 is 1 and 25 hundredths.
1 and 25 hundredths is correct. Choose one. And
Is 1.55.
1.55 is correct because this is 3/4, which is 0.75, and this is 4/5, which is 0.8 or 8/10. Answer is correct. Thank you.